I'm Noelle.
I'm Jonna.
Kaboom! Hey, Jonna!
Hey, what?
Do you want to see if we can break something?
Sure do.
Here on Kaboom!
We asked the question.
Does it break?
Today we're gonna drop a vacuum cleaner.
Since this is a more complicated object, we're going to teach you how to prepare for the drop.
For safety purposes, if you're under the age of 32, have an adult supervise you.
Step 1. Unplug the vacuum from the wall. Step 2. Make sure that what the vacuum has already sucked up is safe to drop. Make sure that you remove all appliances and valuables, like food.
Step 3. Eat a cheese puff.
Step 4. Wind up the cord. Step 5. Arrive at your location. Here we are in Utah at a castle built 900 years ago by the Scots.
It was built on this hillside to blockade against invading feminists.
Come on, let's go!
Yeah. Step 6. Prepare for the drop by eating a cheese puff.
Step 7. Drop it! Does it break?
Yeah.
Woo!
Wow. Join us next time on Kaboom when we tie up Noelle and toss her in the river to see if she's a witch. See you then.
Kaboom!